Rachel here with Rachel's Unique Crafts. We're back in the kitchen and we're gonna make some corned beef cabbage. So I've already started some of it because it's kind of lengthy. So let me turn y'all down here so you can see. I've got bacon cooking. I put in all this kind of steam from the water. I've got a whole pack of bacon that I have cooked, and I cooked the bacon to get the grease. Okay, so that was a whole pack of bacon. We got that cooked. Let's turn this off. And I have simmering here some water. See if I can get y'all where you can see. Okay. So this is big. This out of the way. Okay. So now we've got our grease and I've got a thing of corned beef. I know this doesn't look good, but it is delicious. And for New Year's, this is what we have. Most of the time is corned beef cabbage and our black eyed peas. So, I wanted the corned beef cooked in all that grease. It just gives it a whole different taste. I just didn't want y'all to have to just sit here and watch me wait for bacon to cook. So I waited till I got the bacon about done to start the video. So we're just gonna cut this up real good. Somebody said y'all like the cooking videos, so I said, well, I'll do a few along with our crafts. I mean, crafting, eating, it all goes together, right? So, once we get this in here, that's what that's looking like. Okay, and that's our yummy bacon. All right, so I took a whole head of cabbage, and I've got 3/4 of it right up, already cut up. And I'll probably cut up all of it. Let me get some salt and pepper. I use pink Himalayan salt. That's all we eat. Some pepper. Okay, so let's take some of our cabbage. going to lose our cabbage there. And I'll probably have to add a little bit more water, because that cabbage is going to use it up. There was a piece of cabbage that didn't get cut up real good. I like my cabbage bite size. Just cut it right there. Now that that's cooking down a little bit, I'm going to cut a little bit of our cabbage. And I just cut it like in cabbage steaks. And I make some good cabbage steaks too. We'll have to do that one night. So we just, the stove is hot. So I don't need to come closer right now. But we're just cutting this. Just like that. I had already got the core out of it. I had it all ready. Now this is a big pan. It'll cook down, that's the thing. But you know how you eat cabbage and eat you a big bowl of it, and 15 minutes later after you eat it, you're hungry again. But by having, you know, some corned beef in there, gives it, you know, more a filling effect. And you can add a little butter if you want to. I think the bacon grease is good for me right now. You can put a lid on it and it'll cook much faster, but I've got the heat up pretty high on it, so it's almost done now. I'm going to put a little bit more salt and pepper in there. This is just a quick and easy meal, and it's really good. And it does make a difference by cooking everything in the bacon grease. So y'all have to let me know in the comments if you've ever eat this, if you like it, if you don't like it. Or if you made something similar. This is the whole head of cabbage. And it was about a medium head. Cover that good with pepper. And if you wanted to, you could put some bacon in here. think I'm gonna have my bacon on the side where it's crunchy. But it is done. You see that? That's what it looks like, and it's gonna be so good. So now that my cabbage is soft, but it's not soggy. That's the way I like to eat it. So that is how I make our corned beef and cabbage. So y'all let me know in the comments, have you ever heard of this? Have you ever eat it? And how you like it. All it is was a pack of bacon. I used the bacon grease, some corned beef, and let's see, your bacon for your bacon grease, your corned beef, your head of cabbage, some salt and pepper, and you have a meal. It's a vegetable and a meat. So I'm gonna get off of here and fix my hubby a plate of corned beef hash, corned beef and cabbage. So I will see y'all in the next video. Thank y'all. Remember, I love you all. And until next time, y'all get to crafting and make something beautiful or make something yummy. I'll see y'all later. Bye, y'all.